Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to post draft videos on TikTok. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your TikTok application on your Android and iOS. And after opening your TikTok application, you will go into your profile, and here at the start you can see that we have this drafts option. So just open it up, and these are all my draft videos that I did not posted yet. Okay, so let's suppose that if you wanted to post any draft video here, what you will do is you will just tap on the video here, okay, like this one. And after opening up the video here, you will tap on next here, okay. And then here you can basically write something, you can add hashtags, okay. And then what you will do is you can basically change its privacy to everyone, and then you can just tap on post. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.